just like you. Maybe I'm just like you. Hard to me to break, people always change, but it's okay, cause we love the same. Maybe I'm just like you. Maybe you like me.
This is the famous mochi shop in Nara, where mochi is made fresh daily by the fastest mochi pounders in Japan. The use of extreme speed is not only for show, but it produces the softest, chewy mochi you will ever taste. The mochi is filled with sweet red bean paste and lightly dusted with kanako, a roasted soybean flour. When you first bite into one, you will be guided by the fragrant kanako, followed by the chewy mochi, and the sweet and gooey red bean taste takes your taste buds to heaven.
Tell me where we gonna go. Just take me. Just take me.
What we came to Nara Park for is for the deers. These deers roam around the park looking for food, especially deer crackers. What's so special about these deers is they will bow to you in exchange for food. So make sure you get yourself some crackers at the vendors in Nara Park, and they cost around 150 yen for a pack of 10 crackers. Even though these deers are tame, they are wild animals, so be careful when feeding the deers. Bow. 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 Bow.
Just take me.
Where are they going? Everybody gone.
Look at that. Look.
Ah! Go, 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 go. Hey, how come that one didn't go?
There.
Hey, what you doing here? Go with the crowd.
前抹茶結構硬かったよね。
Hella good. So smoky.
现在喂吗？
这样。
Yeah,走到这边。
这样。Okay, just not anymore. 前后夹击。
快跑啊！哎，我这个没有。好。
Bye.
Shape nice.
Yeah, shape right.
Three hand.
Nothing beats the hot summer days in Japan like a cup of shaved ice. What I have here is a green tea shaved ice. It's pretty good. Yep, pretty good.
Pretty good.
可以。
Doesn't have the matcha smell though. Maybe we should get the mango. Should I get the mango? What you got?
Strawberry shaved ice. It's not that cold, but it's cold. And it's good. Good flavor.
不给吃，不给吃，不要。好了，喂。
A quick tip for getting the deers to bow to you is place the cracker above their head and they will bow to you for the crackers. Like that, see? Just place the cracker above their head and they will bow and you can just feed them. Yep, like that. It is a really great experience, so I hope you guys enjoy it. For our last meal in Japan, we're having curry at Coco Curry. I didn't have any high expectation for this place, but the curry came out really good. I think the best curry I had so far in Japan. So try it if you are in Japan. Make sure to put these on the cocoa sauce. See? Really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys next time. Bye.